a lots of things to do today because last night my Arabian brother came along and he said that he want to back here today. So let's see. He only visit with my mom. Mom. Yeah. Oh, by the way, somebody got saying Princess is making a filter. I have no filter. I did not know which putting a health filter on my well, otherwise the person who judged on me is their own friend, is the one who making filter. Imagine, even the filter, he judgmental. He make an issue. My gulay. I'm not like your friend that they doing filter then when they go live, and then when they go filter also when they make video, and then when you look in the reality, you be shocked because they look well. If you meet, your friend, when you meet that in reality, you comparing the badyaw than to your friend, much better the looks of badyaw, the real badyaw. You know that? In shortly, in Filipino words, arang-arang pagdagway ang badyaw, purgaba lang. Kung ikumpara sa imong mga friend, kay ang badyaw pure, yun ang badyaw nga, gwapa nga, itungon siya. There is a badyaw that very black, but she's pretty. Yeah. That's what I just what you call that? Describing your own friend. So next time, before you judgmental in me, I'm not using a filter. So what if you said I'm not pretty? Did I say that I'm pretty? Maybe you're the one who insists yourself that to think that Princess is pretty. No, I'm not proud that how I look like. Yeah, it's not important that. You know what my fiance